this is the first introduction to this vlog. I'm going to talk more after my shower and I've cleaned my room and everything, but I just wanted to pop on and say hi. I've just done a workout from Instagram, so it's a workout that I've saved during lockdown, and I just do it once in a while, and it is actually a really good workout. It's a high intensity workout, so there's squats, there's planks, there's loads of different things, and it's like you do this many workouts and then you stop and then you do it again 3 times. So yeah, I'm quite sweaty though. Like, I didn't burn as much calories, but I sweated way more than I usually do. But let's go get a shower. I just wanted to do a normal video like this to show you exactly. Obviously, in some cases I can't do the bridge method, but because these are so small, I can. So this is how I cut my tomatoes with my left hand, but cutting it with my right. This is my lunch for today. I'm trying to eat healthier and like lose weight a bit. So this is just normal crackers. This is the packet of crackers I've used. And I've got some tomatoes on there. And this is the cheese that I've used. So it's got less calories. So I'm just trying to cut on my calories. And then I really like these yogurts. They're Milia light yogurt, so there's only 72 calories in it and it's fat free, and they still taste really nice. So I'm gonna eat this now, also gonna have some water, and I'll see you. I think I'm gonna do some dot art painting. coaster. Obviously it needs to dry and I'm going to probably do more touch up, but let me show you kind of hard. That's what it looks like on the other side. It still needs to dry, but for my first attempt, because my dad got me these coasters from eBay, if you were wondering, they look like this when they first come. So you get 12 in a pack, like you get 12 but you get 2 of these, so it's 6. 2 packs of 6 but you get 12 altogether. That makes sense. So this was my first attempt because I thought it would be easier to try and like transfer that into that. So I'm going to try loads of other designs that I've already done on the circle coaster, but I want to try it on the glass coaster because I definitely think this looks more professional than these, if I can pick them up, these wooden ones. Also, I do have a Facebook page and an Instagram all about my dot art paintings and coasters and everything. In the future, I would love to do like iPhone cases and everything, but obviously that would be more expensive, and then designing it and everything like that. But I can't pick it up. Oh no, wait. I'm gonna carry on doing this. So this is what it looks like. There's a bit of smudge there and I need to sort it. But this is what it looks like. So I've got, zoom out a bit, I've got these, well I've got a whole tray of metallic paint, and obviously the silver is on here. But I thought I'll do metallic, then normal, then metallic, then normal. So I've got metallic colour there, and I thought that was the closest colour to that. Then metallic purple, and then I've got that purple there, and then metallic pink, then that colour there. I'm going to continue this vlog tomorrow, so I will see you tomorrow because I've hopefully got a book coming. So I'm going to show you that and I'm really excited for it. Mostly like it's an influencer book and it's just something that I think I'm like, it's going to make this year. Like, even though it's a book, I generally need help. It's like an influencer overnight book. So it gives you tips and it gives you like planning things and everything like that. And I'm just so excited for it, and I think it's meant to be here tomorrow. So I'll see you when that comes. So it's the 22nd today and I'm going to end this vlog here, but before I end it I want to show you this. So this is the book I got. This is called Influencer Overnight. Just want to clarify, I'm just sharing this with you guys because this is generally a thing I saw. I literally got influenced by Saffron Barker. But even, like, I found out about this book by Saffron Barker, but I checked all the reviews and it sounded really, really good. And I looked at, like, some of the pages because this is, can't really say the management properly, but it's the blogger Jane. So it's a collaboration book with a management team and Revolution Pro. That's what I got out of checking the reviews and everything. And obviously, if you want to read the back, pause it there. But I'll show you some of the pages. I find it really good. I've read till like this bit here. So I'll show you the page that I'm on right now. So there's loads of advice, tips, like that. I haven't even read most of it. I'm going to try and show you pages that you don't really see on the reels that they haven't shown. Obviously, everyone shows the best bits. Like, that's like tax and YouTube, and like how you get paid and everything. And even though I don't know if I'm ever going to get paid by this or just social media in general, I would love to. But even having this book as I've got this, so when I get to that point, because I believe I can, so when you get to that point, or when I get to that point, I can just look back on this book and be like, oh, that's how you do your taxes. Oh, that's how you sales invoice. I don't even know what that is, to be fair, because I'm not to that state. My price, list and date. Haven't even thought of prices to brand deal. But it's just, this book has everything you need. Literally, I'm not even getting promoted to say that. I'm being serious. Like, some of the pages I haven't even seen yet. So this is just me looking through it. Like, there's a gifting bit of how getting gifted. Like, when you see hashtag ad, and like I said, your taxes, there's a monthly spreadsheet. There's loads. On top of, there's like tips and like the actual management. This is probably my favourite page, and I haven't went up to that bit yet, but this is probably my favourite page. So it says full length mirror. It's like things that you need, like checklist, computer or laptop. To be fair, I understand all these, like most of this stuff you will need, but I just want to say, you could easily have a phone, well, it does say a phone, but you can easily have an iPad instead of a laptop or a computer. Because if you're like me, I've worked with computers in recent jobs and I am good at it, but I'm way more quicker on an iPad than a laptop or a computer. So do you want to say that? Like a camera, you could use your back of your phone, a tripod. The one you're actually on right now has just broke on me. It's actually just being able to just stand. Like, I can't tilt it down or tilt it up. So that will be a thing I need to get. Wireless Bluetooth remote. Oh yeah, so the remotes that you get, I've actually got some, but I don't use mine. I should actually use it, because there is sometimes I'm like, I should do it. And also memory cards, even for your not a camera memory card, but you can get these like Apple thing adapters if you have an iPad. I want to get one of them to transfer all the videos, because at some point I want to start doing like the year, like 2022, what the year gave to me or something, like, and do the little clips like that. So yeah, that is the most exciting bit out of the, what's this page? Spreadsheet example to keep on top of content agreements. Oh, okay, that's actually a really good idea. So it's a spreadsheet. So if you ever get to, you could easily do this if you don't get paid right now. So you could spread out. I upload Wednesday and Sunday, so I could do like this. And to be fair, I should actually, because sometimes I do forget what video is going up. But that is my review. I really recommend it. I will link it down below, but I got it off Revolution. That was the only website that I found it, and that was the website that Saffron her link directed it to. So I think it's only on Revolution, the Makeup Revolution. But I really recommend this. I only got this in delivery. So this is $15.99 and I paid $17.99 because the delivery was like £2.49. So some might say this is an expensive book, but I think it's really worth it. I really do. And you should get it if you've got the money, because I'm even halfway through, like I've learned so much already. And it's not even learning, it's like little things like I would have known that, but like explaining it in deeper context. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, this is on my back camera, so let me know if the quality's good. I can't put the light on my back camera, not because I can't, but it blinds me. So this is how it would look. Obviously, it's nearly 4 o'clock, so it is getting dark. So during the day, if I have a vlog on my back camera, if you do like the quality, let me know. But it is quite difficult because I can't see myself. I need to make sure that I'm actually angled, so hopefully this whole video I've been angled, or this whole clip. But bye!